In this video, we are going to look at some of the resources available to us as Seattle Public Schools students so that we can research for our extended essay or any topic that comes up that we need to research in the future. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go to the Students drop-down menu and we'll click on Student Portal. It will take us to Clever. We'll log in with our Active Directory and we will come to Clever here. And what we're going to do is scroll down to the library and reference section where there are 3 databases that I'm really going to encourage you to use. The first one is ProQuest. This is the grandparent of all databases. It is useful, it is helpful, it is big, it is extensive, and it's really a great place to start. We also have ABC Clio, another outstanding resource that focuses more on history. And we have Issues and Controversies, which covers, not surprisingly, issues and controversies spanning hundreds and hundreds of topics. So those are 3 great places to start. Check out the individual videos for each one.